Where are the fireworks? Oh god. Yes, this is an orgasm. Oh yes. Give me some more, give me some more. Come on, bitch, where are the rest? Oh yes, right there. That looked like Jupiter and shit. Very nice, very nice. San Francisco, baby. Shit. Oh. Yeah, this is it, this is it. I'm pretty sure. No, wait. I don't know what the fuck's happening. I thought each of those were like little fireworks. Dude, these things go on for days.
Wait for it to start.
That looked nice. Oh yeah, this is it. Wait, no. Fuck. Yeah, it is. That's fucking sick.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm recording this shit. It's fucking orgasm. Oh, fuck. Woo. Shit, that's fucking nice. No, there's still more. There's like 2 endings. Dude, that's fucking dope. That is fucking dope. Ooh. That's fucking sick. Oh my fucking god. What the fuck is happening? God damn. I am happy to say that was nice. Good shit, San Francisco. Fucking clap.
Fucking clap.
I liked it. Well, there's a lot of people up here. Good night, everybody. This was SF Fireworks.